Hey everyone, today I will show you how to clear cache in Windows 10 and 11. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Alright, let's get started. First, open Task Manager, then click on Performance on the top. Then click on Memory. As you can see, I have 7 GB of RAM that is cached. So to clear them, open your browser and type on the search bar RAM map. Click on the first result by Microsoft and click on Download. Go to your downloaded zip file and extract it. Open the folder and right-click on rammap.exe and run as administrator. A new window will open. Click on Empty on the top left here. Then empty standby list. And now, as you can see, my cached RAM did decrease rapidly and got cleared. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.